Hello, Klasse 10. So I'm just going over the tasks that I set you earlier this week. Sorry. So I've got this table here. We've got the places in the town, and all I wanted you to do is say what it was. So, for instance, Das Neue Rathaus, but with the definite article. So remember, the definite article is the word, the der word, or the das word, or die as well for plural. So what you should have had is das neue Rathaus zum, das alte Rathaus zum, die Fußgängerzone zur, das Schloss zum, das Stadion zum, das Verkehrsamt oder das Informationsbüro zum, die alte Brücke zur, die Universität zur. It's going down. So remember, zur means zu der, because the zu words, which is a preposition, changes die words to der words to dem, and das words to dem. So if we're combining zu der, it becomes zur Schule. If we're combining zu dem, it's zum Markt. And again, zu dem Schloss, zum Schloss. Just going down a bit further now. We've got der Bahnhof zum, die Jugendherberge zur, die Post zur, das Museum zum, das Krankenhaus zum, die Ludwigskirche zur, der Landtag zum, das Landesmuseum zum, der Flughafen zum, der Stadtpark zum, der Marktplatz oder der Markt zum und der Fluss zum. Now, some of you have not finished this yet. Some of you have finished it but need to make corrections. And some of you have not started it yet. So before you look at this whole video, too late now, sorry, but try and do it without checking with the video first and then come back to this and make your corrections. What I also want you to do is write the English in each box. So I'll do the first one for you. The new town, not one, town hall. Yeah, das neue Rathaus, the new town hall, not townhouse and not Rathaus. Okay, viel Spaß damit.